am Bhavna Shankari. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Bhavna Shankari. Happy festival to all. Happy Navratri. So children, you are enjoying your Navratri holidays, right? See, you can make use of the holidays. So you will be having holidays, so your science teacher may or may not given the projects. You can make some new learnings, new projects. So I'll today be explaining how to make herbarium. See, you can collect the leaves. See, you can collect any leaves, any leaf that is around you. So I am in the middle of the nature, so I'll be getting more plants, more trees. I'm seeing more trees and plants, different kinds of leaves. So I am going to collect few of them, and let's see which of the leaves I get, and let us make the herbarium. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Happy Navaratri. Let us start collecting the different kinds of leaves. Friends, collection of leaves is done now. Now let us paste it. Come. After collecting the leaves, you have to dry the leaves first. Okay, so you can follow two methods. The most instant method that you can select is keeping the leaves in between the papers, okay, of a book or a paper. Okay, then take another paper and close it, then iron on it, so that will dry up the leaves easily. And one more method you can follow, that just keeping the leaves or plant parts. You can use plant parts also, not only leaves, with small stem like this. So you can keep these leaves in between the papers. Okay, so then take another 2 pages after that. Okay, you can keep one more leaf in that and close that, and place the weight on it. Okay, you have to place two more books or a heavy weight on it for a few days to dry up. So if you see a little bit of it, water content is dried now. So this is very dried now. So the leaf is dried now. See, so we can stick it easily. So let us start this pasting the dried leaves. Okay, so for that I have taken Fevicol gum, so that is most suitable one because that will stick very tightly. And I have the dried leaves. Okay, so that collected leaves, and already I have dried that. And the one book I have selected, that is a scrapbook. Okay, so you can select the book that is convenient for you. Friends, you should be very careful while pasting the plant parts without damaging the dried leaves or plant parts. You have to uh, paste them. Okay, so be very careful. Don't damage the parts, and dry the gum once you paste it. Then close the book. Finally, I have the herbarium here. See, different plant parts are collected and pasted on the book. Okay, so this is the making of herbarium. Please like and share the videos. If you're a newcomer to my channel, please subscribe the channel. To get the notification, please hit on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Please drop your comments in the comment box.